What is going on, YouTube? I am back with another video. You can see I have the beast behind me. I have my CTS-V, Cadillac CTS-V. We're gonna be talking about 5 secrets or 5 hidden secrets about the car behind me you may have not known. Everything 1320 happens right here, and let's go. So if you're new to the channel, yes, everything 1320 happens right here. And yes, this car is going to the drag strip for the first time since I've had the car, since I've been in the States, let me say that. So, we're gonna talk about our 5 secrets. Let's get into number 1. First thing we're gonna talk about is how to change the display. And what I mean by that are the center and outer half rings here. So one, you're gonna see that you have a select button. You can go over to the left and go up, have compass, trip to, your regular trip, transmission fluid temp, the PSI for your supercharger, oil pressure, oil temperature, battery voltage, speed limit based on where you are, your average speed, fuel economy, tire pressure, oil life, which is important, your fuel range, and your compass. I keep mine on my fuel range. Again, that shows the temperature of the car, and down here you can see the PSI is already there. I have a black and red speedometer, and on this side I have my coolant temp, gas, and of course you can switch back over here and run through those same options. Now you can actually switch through drive modes. It's going to be down here. You can just tap and see that you have Tour, Sport. That is going to start to change from black to white. You see the flag up that way. Snow and ice. Back to black. And then track, which puts it back to white. Number 2, easy secret that a lot of people don't know is this traction button here. You can tap it once, turn traction control off, tap it again, and you actually have the performance traction settings. A lot of people don't know to tap that twice, and you can see you have performance traction, active handling, chassis mode, and you can just hit up and down. You can see the modes changing all the way from Sport 1, Sport 2 to the race mode, which is what I would use at the track and or a road course. But that is secret number 2 that a lot of people don't know about. Secret number 3, and my favorite, is the secret box. Not many people know about it. A lot of the GMs, Corvettes have it. CTS-V has it. I have a little area to charge a phone and or to hide anything that I need to hide right in that box, and all I have to do is tap that area and it goes back. You can see that is my center console for air, all that good stuff. That is secret number 3 and my favorite secret. Secret number 4 is the actual infotainment system. All right, so you're gonna go into your settings and you can see you have a bunch of different time and date, language, valet mode. A lot of people don't know about valet mode. You can enter in a number to make sure they don't go above a certain speed limit. You have radio settings, Apple CarPlay settings, software info, etc. But what I'm going to talk about is the vehicle. You can see you have collision detection systems, comfort and convenience lighting, power door locks, and remote lock and unlock start settings. So what I'm going to go for first and show you guys is your comfort. I'm hitting the wrong button, you guys. Comfort and convenience. You have your easy exit options, which are going to be simple things. For instance, when you get out, you'll be able to lock the door. The keys are going to know that you're either gone or left the keys in the car, which is why that chime volume is so good. You have your reverse tilt mirror when you turn the car off. So I'll show you that right now. Get out the car. It's supposed to Turn it off. I may have to change and restart the car, but oh, wait a minute. It didn't recognize my settings. But let's dive back into this. Still haven't got to my point. Secret number 4, like I said, is just the infotainment system in itself that I want to show you guys that people may not mess with. But your rain sensor, when it starts to rain on the windshield, it will actually start your windshield wipers without you having to do anything or take your hands off the wheel, which is pretty dope. Then you have your remote lock settings, right? So whenever you remote lock, you can flash the lights. And of course, lights, horn, lights only, horn only whenever you lock, so you know that you actually have it. You can unlock just the driver door or all doors when you go to unlock the car. You can remote start auto cool seats, so that can turn on your cooled seats automatically on a hot day like this. And then of course the biggest one, which is why that chime is always good to have on a loud setting, is when you leave your keys in the car and you get out, it will actually beep at you. That is secret number 4, your infotainment system. Secret number 5, and a lot of people do not know whenever they get this car, is you have quad exhaust tips. I'm gonna actually go show you them right now. This is your main exhaust. This inner half one on each side. Just like Corvettes, that's the main one that is used. And then when you put it in race mode, track mode, whatever, it actually opens up all 4. So what you'll notice is you can see that inner one is a little hot and the outside one doesn't really have anything coming out. Same thing here. It's because the car is just in regular tour mode. If you put it in race mode, all 4 exhaust outlets will actually give out exhaust fumes, whatever term you want to call it, you guys. But that is secret number 5. I just wanted to bring you guys some secrets now that I'm getting into the ownership of the vehicle itself. There's a lot more that you can do, especially with some of the lighting on the door handles. But overall, the car is dope. I have the settings right now, and my lights actually turned off on the bottom. I actually had a slight wiring issue that I needed to take care of. That's why you don't see the line lights all the way down. But if you enjoyed that, let me know in the comments what your favorite secret is. And if you know something about it that I don't, let me know in the comments. Again, I'm still learning when it comes to this car. We're back in the States for a little bit, so you got to see a few. Shout out to Wheel and Tire Exchange. They made this car look super, super good. I need a sponsor for new carbon all the way around. I have beat my carbon to death with this car. Let me know. All right, you guys, again, that is my 5 secrets to your CTS-V. Very, very simple, but even me knowing the CTS-Vs, I never knew about those secrets until I owned one. So let me know, again, what your favorite comment is let me know what your favorite secret is in the comments, and we're out.